Alright, hey there, and welcome to this video, how to make a website using WordPress. As you can see here, I've already installed WordPress. If you want to learn how to install WordPress, I have another video, how to install WordPress in 3 minutes. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to log in to the back office. And you can do that by just going up to the browser, typing in the domain /wp-admin. And since I'm already logged in, it pulled up this part. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is change the overall look. So we go to Appearance and Themes, and for this purpose we were just going to select a free theme. Alright, so these are the standard ones that they give you options with, which are pretty plain. So we can go Add New, and they're going to give us a list of like the featured, popular, and the latest. Alright, so this one looks kind of cool here, so we can check it out by clicking on the preview. It shows you kind of what it looks like. It's got a slider here. You scroll down, it's got reviews, featured content, all that stuff. So this one looks pretty cool, so let's go ahead and choose that. Click on Install, and you want to activate it. Alright, so now it says this theme is activated. So you can go check it out, see what it looks like. Going up here, visit site, and that's what it looks like. Alright, so pretty basic stuff, pretty cool, right? All the demo content is loaded. So basically you just have to play around and find out where everything is. Alright, so in the free themes, most of the stuff is located here under Customize. Alright, so you click on Customize, it goes through, gives you site identity, you can change the title, all that good stuff, logo, you can upload a logo, and then just scroll through a header image. This is what they got right here. It's just, looks like it's just one that's just a slider image, and they're having different sliders, okay? And so that's it, just go through, change all those, you're ready to roll, ready to rock and roll. Alright, so what also you see here on mine, since I just uploaded it, you get a sample page that comes with the install. I always trash that. And under the posts, I always trash those as well. Okay, so now you've got nothing under there. The other thing is, when you want to see what page loads, when you hit the home page, what shows up, that is controlled by this settings under reading. Alright, so if you want to control what shows up on the home page when you click on just your main domain, it's done under settings, reading. Alright, and it shows up here. So you can either have the latest post show up, which is the default, or you can pick a static page, in this case home. Okay, and then just save the changes. So as you see, it's just the basic content here. Home shows up here. So this stuff right here is the part you can change. Okay, the other thing you want to be aware of is your permalinks. Right here under settings, permalinks. If you want it to be your domain / the name of the page, click on the post name and hit Save Changes. Alright. The other thing is you want to look at what type of plugins that you have. So click on Plugins. These are the basic ones here. The Kismet one, you want to install that for blocking a lot of spam content. Plugins are the same thing. You can do all kinds of stuff. Forms, security, SEO stuff. And to do plugins, you just click on Add New and search for a plugin here. So a really good one to use is Wordpress, and what that is a security one. So you install Wordpress security and activate it. And what that one is, it's really cool because it'll check, see if you have malware. It'll always scan your site, and what you want to do is go up to, the first time is go to Options and put in your email alert here, okay? So that way, whenever something happens, it sends you an email notification, okay? So that's for the home page. If you want to include a blog on there, that's going to be where all your posts go right here under posts. So you have to at least have one post. Since I didn't have a post on here, I'm just going to make one up. Test post. Okay. And that way there's posts now. So the same thing under settings. What you want to do is actually create a page that is where the blog goes, right? And I'll show you why in a minute. So we'll call this blog and publish a page. All right, so under settings, when you're going to reading, you want your posts to go here. So basically, when you click on the blog, all your posts are going to show up on the blog. So hit save. And since you go back here and look at it, you'll notice in the menu there's a blog section, right? So click on blog. Here's all your posts. We'll go. Since there's no posts, we'll go back here and create one. Test post. Since it says draft right here, since it hasn't been published, so we're going to say this is my first post. I can spell. This is my first post. And you hit publish, okay? Publish. That way now it's published, all right? There are many other things you can change. Add categories, put tags in here. You can add a featured image. This is just showing you how to set up your website to show up as a web, okay? Right here you can change the publish date and all that good stuff. So if you go back here to the blog, now you see the post is shown up there, all right? So this just shows you introductory on how to set up your web page. There will be more content added later. I'll show you and go over more of this stuff in future videos. All right, thanks for watching.